Welcome to Process Verse, where the ordinary is engineered into silent guardians of strength. Today, in this factory, protection is not claimed. It's crafted, layer by layer. And before the first layer even fuses, the journey begins. A journey from fragile sheets to a...
Keep it coming straight back. All right, hold it right there. Perfect. Okay, easy now. Right into that slot. We're clear on this side. Setting it down. Easy, easy. That's high enough. Okay, bring it forward now. Watch the yellow line.
Everything is checked and verified.
Great. Team, we have clearance to move to phase 2. All right, steady now. Clear on this side. Spacer in. The temperature is holding steady at 25 degrees.
Noted. The ratio looks good as well. Make sure the edges are perfectly aligned before we cut.
Got it. The measurements look good here.
I found a bubble near the edge.
Set it aside for review. This batch is clear otherwise.
Careful with the edge. It's aligned. Rolling it now.
Just ease it over slightly.
Perfect. Now let's check for air pockets.
Check the left guide. Looks perfect on this side. Roll it slowly, make sure there are no gaps.
Keep the pressure steady on the left side. Got it. Looks good for pre-bonding now.
Keep an eye on the alignment right there. Okay, I see it. It's steady now.
Aligning the edge now.
Looks good. Hold it steady.
Just a slight misalignment here. Okay, rolling is smooth now. Confirmed.
Careful now, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Secure on this side. Thumbs up. All right, let's roll it out.
Okay, easy now. Slide it in.
Batch ID 74B fusion confirmed.
Clamps engaged.
Initiate final seal sequence. Pressure levels nominal. Seals confirmed.
There's the inflection point on the curve.
I see it. Increasing the flow rate slightly.
Temperatures are holding steady at 140. See how the bubbles are clearing.
Looks good. We should achieve full fusion within the hour.
Pressure curves are stabilizing.
Confirmed. Temperature holding steady at 500 Kelvin. The temperature descent is stable, but watch that pressure near the edges.
Confirmed. Logging the observation now.
Okay, lift together, watch your footing.
Bring that cart forward. I need to check the seal on the edge.
Confirmed, looks good to go. Okay, monitoring the trace.
Path confirmed on the readout.
Looks good. Proceeding.
Reading 0.02 millimeter over tolerance here.
Okay, I'm logging the deviation. Proceed with the polish.
Impact successful. Minimal flex noted at point of contact.
Logging the data now. Vibration dampening is nominal.
The stress levels are peaking right here. There's the failure point. Record that data immediately.
The internal sensors match the thermal readout. Good.
Make a note of the structural integrity at this temperature.
We need to cross-reference the heat and cold resistance results.
Batch 54B is complete. The labels are applied.
I am rejecting panel 4B due to a microfracture on the edge.
Panel 5C is clear. Moving to conveyor.
Check the batch number on this one. Looks good. We can send it through.
All checks confirmed. Proceed to the range.
The laser looks good on this side. The bubble is centered. We are aligned.
0.05 degrees, roll left.
Confirmed. Alignment locked.
The energy dispersal rate is higher than projected.
Check the thermal readings at the impact site.
The penetration depth here is minimal, much better than the last iteration.
Yes, the energy absorption seems highly effective.
The edge stability on panel 7 is still below standard.
We should rerun the absorption metrics before finalizing the report. The certifications are all in order here.
Yes, full traceability confirmed on the latest batch.
Check the edge here, near the corner.
Got it. Looks good now.
Okay, I've noted the scratch on the tablet. We need a level 2 rework on this section.
The transmission on panel 4 is reading 99.8. Okay, logged that. Check the distortion next.
We're showing 15.2 millimeters on the caliper.
And the micrometer confirms the reading. Let's input the data.
All right, this batch is approved. Hand me the manifest. Here is the final paperwork, Supervisor.
Careful with the coated panels. They go in rack 4.
Yes, moving the 10 millimeter now.
This edge is perfect. How about this one?
Yeah. Needs a little more polish right here.
Make sure the corners are fully covered.
Yes, applying the stretch wrap now.
Make sure that one is tight.
I checked the tension already. It's good to go.
Manifest confirmed. Crate 4B ready for staging.
Noted. Logging now.
Keep coming straight.
Easy now, that's good right there.
The digital checklist is complete. Are the crates ready?
Yes, Supervisor, we are good to go.
See you on the next run.
See you, New Plate Crate Travels. Safe travels.